So I've been around talking to our people today and the mood is very buoyant. Yeah, people are glad to be back at work. A little bit apprehensive, of course they are, but you can see people are getting back into the swing of working and they're getting used to social distancing. And I can tell you that the atmosphere in the factory is absolutely fantastic today. Everybody's happy to be making cars again. So the first step is we ask people to check their temperature when they're at home, because we know temperature is a key indicator of this disease. When they come to work, we're now installing thermal cameras, so we can check temperatures as people come onto site throughout the day. Every one of our associates has access to full PPE to make them feel comfortable be coming back to work, including the safety visor. We've been producing these ourselves and we've made sure every single person has access to one of these.
With everyone returning, we were a bit anxious, a bit cautious as to what might be coming. But all the measures they put in place, I think from the first moment I came into the car park and I then went down the stairs, I've been received by all the managers. I think it lifted a lot of spirits and made people feel a lot safer.
Yeah, I was quite anxious coming back to work, but nothing to worry about. It's all safe. We've got everywhere is safe. They've made sure we've got hand sanitizer, we've got masks to wear, all 2 metres apart on the crossing, so everywhere is safe.